Hello guys! In the previous video we created G4 property, and I promise you that in the next video I will tell you and I will show you how to implement GA4 property to start collecting data already. So here you can see that we are located in the real-time report overview of Universal Analytics. It was already implemented in the previous course. So right now we are going to Analytics. And here you can see if in comparison of admin section, we are lack of the third column of the view column. We have only account and property. So as soon as we used our GA4 setup assistant to create GA4 property, uh, data stream was created already. Data stream is like the analog of tracking info tab in Universal Analytics. So as soon as we click here, we can click on the data stream, and here you have information about the website, about the URL, stream ID, measurement ID, and so on. So let's start from the probably plugin implementation. You can click here on the view tag instructions. Some of the CMS platforms or website builders are already supporting GA4. So here you can select your website builder if any of this is supporting your website, and then implemented by the plugin or just by connecting CMS platform with GA4 property, and the data will start come to the website, to their account, I'm sorry, immediately. If we are talking about the second option of the implementation, manual implementation, we need to click here, install manually, and you can see here global site tag, which you will need to copy fully by clicking here or by just highlighting everything and just copying, and then you will go to your website. So let's imagine it's a WordPress based website. Anyway, you just need to reach to the header PHP file or HTML file. It doesn't matter. You just need to find head opening tag. So you can see here that in the 12th line, I have opening tag of the head. I'll click enter and I can paste here. Before closing tag of the head, I need to paste global site tag of the GA4 property. Then I would have to update file, and the GA4 will start collecting data. I will not update file because in the same video, without having you wait, I will show you how to implement with the third option with GTM account. So I'll not update file and I'll just go straight to my website without saving these changes. If we are talking about the third option, how to implement via GTM account, if you don't know what is GTM, please go to our YouTube channel. You'll find a video and some instructions how to create this kind of account. What is this tool about? And I believe that you're gonna love it as much as I love this tool because it makes everything easier. All the implementation stuff will be done in few seconds. So let me show you how it's going to be done in GTM if you would like to implement GA4 property. So you are just going to the workspace in the tab of tags and click here, new. Here you have two blocks to fill, let's say. So we'll start from tag configuration. You click here and there's going to be a specifically for GA4 created tag type GA4 configuration. So you click on it and you can see that only one field required to be filled. It's measurement ID. So we are coming back to analytics account, and here we are closing this pop-up window, and you can see measurement ID is here. So you need just to copy, like from G till R, you just need to copy this measurement ID and then paste it in this field. As soon as you paste it, you can go just scrolling down and to the triggering block. You click here and there's going to be a predefined trigger which we call all pages. As soon as you would like to GA4 to collect data on every page on your website, so the same trigger should be applied here. As soon as you chose all pages trigger, you pasted your measurement ID, half of the job is done. So you click save. You need just to stay with the name, for example, GA4 configuration, and then you click save. Okay, so The data was not refreshed, so I need to refresh the data, unfortunately, and create this tag one more time. It happens if we are not having these we are not having this data yeah, refreshed. I'm sorry. Then you click new, click on the tech configuration one more time. It will make it faster. So let's say we are covering this material one more time just to submit the information in your heads. Click save. And then as soon as you create a GA4 configuration, it was saved in the account. Please don't forget to submit. You click submit, then you click publish. You can give a name of the version. I prefer to skip. It's going to be just version 5 or something like this, but if you, yeah, version 6. So if you'd like to have it here, don't forget, um, don't forget to give a name of the version to understand that, for example, in the version 6 you created GA4 configuration. And then as soon as you submitted the changes, you can refresh the website, and then you are going to analytics account. You need to go to reports, the same as it was in universal analytics, and then you go to real-time report. And here you can see that you're going to have users in last 30 minutes, one, at least one you need to have to verify that people are located and the data is being collected. So here you can see that in event some of their actions are being collected as well. Yeah, so at least one user you have here, you can verify that data is being collected. So you can choose one of the three options at least to implement GA4 and to start collecting data on your website. So it can be plugin implementation, it can be manual implementation by code, and it can be GTM. Any of these options will work the same. Just choose the correct one, the most appropriate one for your website, and please transfer your website to GA4 collection data as soon as possible. As I already mentioned, as soon as you're going to do that, as more historical data is going to be in your analytics. That's pretty much it. I hope it was clear for you. If you have any questions, please ask them in the reviews of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.